This is what we mean when we say we are fatigued. I'm exhausted of this stuff right here. Let's get into it. Shout out to Cam for this video. Y'all got to see it for yourself.
Just go.
This is why we cannot get respect in the black community. This is why everybody think, all the other races think that we're ghetto or we act like monkeys, because of people like y'all. This is ridiculous. They can't go nowhere without acting ghetto or ratchet. Just get along, man. It's like you looking at a bunch of wild monkeys just jumping around and acting fool. I do not subscribe to this ninjadom. I'm tired of it. We're tired of it. All we saying is, stop this ish. We are tired of this. It's overrated. It's overdone. We got to get better. I don't understand when this go stop. It makes me embarrassed to go places and I see people acting like a damn fool like this. This is why we say we're exhausted. It's not about race all the time. Everybody thinks it's about race. It's not about race all the time. We are tired of this ghetto shit. Ghetto fatigue. When is this gonna stop, y'all?